What's up, everybody? This is your buddy pal London Hawthorne here with another unboxing. Today I have another thing from vitaminshoppe.com. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of mold in this box, which is pretty gross. I don't know. The box could have got wet. I don't know. But it's annoying. It happens. I don't blame Vitamin Shoppe. I love Vitamin Shoppe. They're good people. But definitely throwing away the box and washing whatever is in here, which is, yeah, I think, sorry. So I got a case of Bang Energy Drink Blue Razz. I don't know if it's, appears that the cans are all fine. No, okay, what it was, one busted, and that probably created the molding. So, put these in my sink. I'm gonna toss out this box. I'm gonna wash my hands. But yeah, Bang Energy Drink, they're a really good brand. I'm not sponsored, but I'd love to be. Vitamin Shoppe, they're a great company. Not sponsored, but I'd love to be. I do a lot of sugar-free taste tests and reviews. If you want to see my thoughts on the Blue Razz Bang Energy Drink after this video is over, you need to subscribe to my channel. In that little search bar, just type in Blue Razz and you'll see my review of this specific energy drink. And I'm a big fan, spoiler alert, because obviously I bought another case. Unfortunately, one down at least. We'll find out if there's more, but hopefully it's just the one. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and wash your hands after touching mold. You can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can slide up in my DMs and send me some PayPal. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great one and be safe.